Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to turn on the dark mode on TikTok. So first of all, you click on the TikTok app. By default, you'll be led to your home page. Below, you can see you are provided with 5 icons: the home icon, the now icon, the plus icon for creation and posting of TikTok videos, the inbox icon, and then your profile icon. Here you click on the profile icon, and at the top right, you click on the 3-dashed icon, and then here you click on settings and privacy. After that, you scroll down to display, which is in the content and display section. And then you can turn it to the light or dark mode. After that, it will be automatically switched to your dark mode. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.